Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to search for a friend and then add them on Steam. So this is actually really easy to do. If you tried going to friends and chats and you just simply typed in their name right here, well, that's not going to pop it up. This is only for people who are already on your friends list. But we can go to the little plus icon right here and go to add friends. And it's going to bring us to this page where we can scroll on down. And this is where we want to type it in to search for their profile. So you can enter your friend's name in here. Now this is their profile name, not their Steam name. So the profile name is going to be what's displayed to their friends. So let's add my main account here, and then see if it pops up. I might need a space in there, so just make sure you have the correct name. Press enter. All right, looks like I need a space, and now it should pop up. And once you have your friend's name pop up, you should be able to just add them. Looks like it's not working for some reason, even though it just did. Maybe it's because of that T right here. Boom. Let's see if it works now. Nope. It says there's no users with this match. Okay, well that's unfortunate. But you can easily just add your friends. Did I spell that wrong? Yes, I did. So here we go. This should work now. Boom, there I am. Sir Timothy. So once their profile pops up, we can just go to add friend. All right. So your account does not meet the requirement. So since I am a new user, you cannot add friends. They have to add you until you purchase a game through Steam. And I believe you have to spend like at least $1 or something like that. So if you are a new user, you can't add friends. You have to wait until they add you, until you buy a game. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.